Yoop. Nose heavy. Jesus, everything went wrong. I'm going home. Don't know if I've got this in me today.
Yes, party people, I'm in the workshop, I'm just putting my gear away. I've just got back from an absolutely epic ride today. Hope you enjoy the video. It's only going to be a short one because I didn't actually record that many runs because I was so overwhelmed with the place and what I actually achieved, what I did. I felt like I needed to quit while my luck was in. You'll see why. There was a near miss. But yeah, not many people could ride today, so I decided to go to this undisclosed location, let's call it. If you know, you know. As I knew people would be there, I knew people would be riding it, and I know that it rides come rain or shine, so all year round. Yeah, so I thought head on down there. Even if I didn't fancy doing any jumps, I'd be able to at least try and get a video for you lot, filming people, you know, doing big jumps. When we got there, yeah, as I say, I forgot to push record, so I didn't actually do any sort of introduction. So this is me saying, enjoy the video.
Whew, fucking hell. Yes! Fuck yes!
Yeah, man! Fucking wicked, straight over it.
You said I would. That's such a nice jump, that.
And this is next one.
Yeah, with the tree right there.
More intimidating, liking it.
A little bit.
But it's sound. But it's just telling people it's sound.
Yeah, it's trusting someone enough to follow them at that sort of speed, but something told me I could do that even before I got here this morning.
Told you, mate.
Yeah, cheers, buddy. Yes, oh my god, I've got that lay-by jump down. Absolutely massive jump. I can't believe I've done that on my own as well now. Buzzing, buzzing, buzzing. Whew. Bike don't feel right, God. For fuck's sake. Come around the corner and sun was in my eyes, and then I'm immediately looking for an excuse to not do the jump, but I've managed to get over this absolutely massive bloody jump, and now I'm looking at the next one in the line. I need to pluck up the courage again to get this one. I might have to follow someone in, to be fair. And then down here, Round here. That was a big old jump. Need to fucking get it. Felt like I had the speed, my foot wasn't quite on the pedal properly as I'd have wanted it to be. That was on. Oh, that was on. Why didn't I do it? Why didn't I do it? You what? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yes, dude.
Honestly, as I came up to over the carpet jump, round the corner, I thought, I'm casing this. Perfect.
Yeah.
I put a crank in before the step down light.
Yeah.
I thought, I'm casing this. Perfect.
Sweet, mate.
Oh my fucking god.
Dude, I told you it'd be sound.
Right, that's
Good, mate.
3 more jumps than I fucking wanted to do here, so I can go home now. Done. Bloody hell.
Buzzing. It's running a little slow today, like.
Oh, it felt so good.
I didn't crank it over it through that then, and I were only just over each of them.
That felt fucking awesome.
Nice line in it, that. Right, mate, don't get through it again.
Yep. Oh my god. I honestly thought I was casing 1 or 2 of them, but I just trusted Ben in front of me and followed him. Is his speed. He's not on an e-bike, so I thought if he's going that speed, I can surely match him for speed. And just, oh my god, I can't believe I've just done that. Oh my god, I'm absolutely buzzing. We need to try that again, I think. It's 2 for 2. Even when it's not going quite right, I can feel my tyres losing traction. I've just put a crank in, pulled and got it. So, yeah. Oh my, chuffed with that. So pleased with today. It's been absolutely brilliant. You. Oh man. I mean that jumper do here, this first one, I thought I was gonna case it. Even that's not little. Here we go. Only just cleared that then, but I have cleared it and that's 3, so I'm happy. Chuffed a bit of that. It's 3 times down that line, so I'm happy to say I've got it, but I came around the corner so lazily, almost cockily, that I didn't think I'd get the step down at the end, and in fact I might have just clipped it a bit, but confidence is up massively. Don't know if I've got this in me today. I'm gonna have another few runs into the lay-by line and just see if I can envisage myself going over it. Over the jump at the end, the feature at the end. If I don't feel it, I'll give it up. Oh Jesus, that was a bit hectic. I think that's on. Another couple of runs in. Right, a decision. My first jump over the little gap up here felt terrible, so it's always going to put you off after that.
Is it as diggable as this?
Nose heavy, Jesus, everything went wrong. I'm going home. Know when to give up. That did not feel nice. Whole run in felt dodgy to start with, and then gears started bloody clicking, changing. Time to give up, I think.
This is like such a different machine. Go on, see it.
Oh, fucking hell, that was horrendous. Never done a jump so bad as that. That was bad. Off to the right again. Need to be more confident going over there because
Is that your first time doing it?
no, I wish it was because it looked like first time.
It looks pretty shit.
Hey lad.
Yes! Oh my good god! I fucking oversent that so much. I honestly thought you needed so much speed. I landed on the tree root at the bottom and I thought it was game over. Oh my days! The bike absolutely 100% saved me that time. It fully saved me. Oh my god. Yeah, it's time to call it a day. Wow, what a day. I was coming here to film other people do jumps for a bit of a laugh, but ended up sending a few myself, so yeah, mint. Woohoo! Yes!
Fucking cased the first one like.
Did you? Doesn't matter though. Was it just her shouting you that made you get over it? Right, to get her to shout at you more.
Pedal.
That one next then.